Evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manjusha. Have you practiced that ledger till wherever I have taught you in the last class?
Yes, ma'am. I just looked through it. I didn't solve it, but I looked through it.
What dear? But
Ma'am, I couldn't solve it, so I just went over it again.
okay, fine. So today anyway, whatever I am teaching, that will be the last for ledger. Next class we will be starting cash book. Okay, ledger is nothing. See, if your journal is perfect, if you know the entry how to pass in the correct way, just you have to do the posting. What you have to remember, just you have to remember one thing in ledger. So you have to see the journal, whatever account you are preparing. If that account is debited, you have to debit in ledger. If that is credited, you have to credit. A debit side you will write to, credit side you will write by. And one more important thing, you should not write name of the same account. Whatever account you are preparing ledger, just name will be opposite account name you will use. And but you should write the amount of the account which you are preparing. That's all. Ledger is nothing, only that much only ledger. And you should know how to do the balancing and all, which is very easy. Today we will learn. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, the PT1 syllabus is out for the exam.
Syllabus is over.
Yes, ma'am. In school, it is over.
हाँ.
In tuition, only cash book is there. After cash book, 11 chapters will be come.
Okay. In school, which chapter till they taught you?
The subsidiary books.
Subsidiary book. So subsidiary books is also coming for you at this exam?
No, ma'am. Only till cash book.
Till cash book, no worries, we can do it. That's what I'm telling. Today we will finish ledger, and in the next class we will start cash book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. And what about your friends? Have you asked them? Are they willing or not willing?
Ma'am, they said that their parents are not okay with online classes,
Oh.
so they're looking for offline.
Okay, no issues, because many of the parents, they don't feel comfortable, because students, they misuse now when they have that phone and all, they will start playing games, seeing some other things like YouTube and all. So it's okay, not at all an issue. Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So last class, which question we were doing, we will continue the same. Just a moment. Can you tell me the page number? Last class, what we were doing?
1 second.
Yeah, no issue. Take your time.
Ma'am, we finished the second question, right?
Yeah. You are right. Now I got it. We have to do the balancing part, right? So
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
first come to cash account. Okay, cash account ledger, you posted everything from journal entry, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, how to do the balancing, it's very easy. Whenever any account you are preparing, after doing the posting, like whatever in journal entries you have done, first from journal entry you will do the posting in ledger. Once all postings are done, you have to make sum total of debit side and credit side of that account. If you see cash account, okay, cash is an asset. First thing, the concept should be very clear. Which account you are preparing? Cash account. It is an asset. So cash increases in the debit side and decreases in the credit side. This is the rule. Now you have to do the sum total of debit side. then you have to do sum total of the credit side. You have to see which side is greater. If you do the sum total of debit and credit side in cash account in rough work, you have to do. Like see, in debit side, what are the amounts? 1 lakh, 1000, 1500, 8000, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
These amounts you have to do the sum total. So, and in the same way, in the credit side, you have to do the sum total 70,000, 5,000, 2,150, 500, 500 in this way. So, when you do, you will find that debit side is more than credit side. You can do it and check. Debit side will be more so than credit side. Credit side will be less. So whichever side is greater in an account, that side total you have to write both the sides. So when we are talking about cash account, what I said, when you do the total debit and credit, you can find that the debit side is more than credit. So debit side total comes 1,10,500. This amount is greater than the credit side. Now this amount you have to write both the sides, debit and credit total column, 1,10,500, 1,10,500, and you should put double underline. You have to close that account by putting double underline both the sides. Till here it is clear, dear?
Yes.
Now what you have to do, that credit side is less than debit side, so you have to see how much less, what is the balancing figure. How you will do, you will add 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,150 plus 500 plus 500. When you add all these together in the rough work, whatever amount is coming, just you have to subtract that amount from 1,10,500. Now why you are doing all these things? In order to know how much less credit side is. So it will come, I think, 29,850. By 29,850, credit side is less than the debit side. When you do all these amounts, when you do the calculations. Now credit side, the balancing figure falls. Whichever side is less in any account in ledger, whichever side is less, that side you have to write the balancing figure. So in cash account, credit side is less, debit side is more. So you have to write April 30th, and always we calculate the balance end of the month. End of the month means this starts on April 1st. So April 30th you will write, 2020 April 30th. What you will write in the credit side? By balance CD, C/D. Now what is CD? Carried down. CD means carried down. How much balance? 29,850. Till here clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Then what you will do after that, after April month, again the business will continue in the May month. So May month business wants to know how much cash is left with the business now. So again what you will do, you have to write in cash account May 1st, 2020 May 1st in the debit side. Why you are writing in the debit side? Because cash is an asset. Whenever it increases, you will write in the debit side. So debit side you will write to balance BD. This CD will become BD for the next month. CD means 29,850 is the amount of cash left with the business on April 30th. This is the meaning of this. After doing the expenses, after receiving cash from customers, all these, if you find finally business is having 29,850 cash balance, that balance you have to bring May 1st. So May 1st business will have this much cash balance. You have to write in the debit side to balance BD. BD means brought down, CD means carried down. Always you have to do in this way. May 1st to balance brought down 29,850. Now you got it, Manjusha, how we are doing the balancing and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you also do it. Last class we didn't do the balancing, so just continue doing the balancing part, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now see purchase account. Now the next account, purchase account. The same. Purchase is an expense. Again, I am repeating the concept. Purchase account means it is an expense. Expenses increases in the debit side, expenses decreases in the credit side. So, when you do this, what you will, again you have to see the total of debit side and total of credit side. You do credit side, nothing. In purchase account, there is no amount written in the which side? Credit side. Only debit side we are having. So debit side you have to write how much. Already you have posted. One thing, see, for expenses, revenue, income, gains, loss, we whatever balance is coming, we transfer to PL account. Okay, profit and loss account. Why? Because expenses, revenues, income, gains, loss, all these are revenue expenditure. Now, what is this revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditures means day-to-day expenses of the business. Like purchase, it is day-to-day expense. Okay, very often business will purchase goods or raw material and sell to customers and earn profit. So whatever like done on daily basis or often, very often, those are revenue expenditure. And one more thing, see, revenue expenditure means whatever benefit business is getting by incurring these expenses will be for short term. For example, suppose business is paying salary to employees, monthly salary. So for 1 month employees work, business is paying salary. Business received services from employees for that particular month. Now again business wants to receive the service. Again business wants to get the benefit from employees. Then again business needs to pay the salary. It's not one salary paid for 1 month. Employee will work free of cost for the rest of the 11 months out of 12. No. Every month salary should be paid to employees in order to get benefit from them. So this is revenue. The benefit is only for short term. Any benefit which the business receives for less than 1 year, that is revenue expenditure. Okay. So all the revenue expenditure or income, anything like sales, all are revenue income only. So these are always transferred to one account which is known as profit and loss account. So whatever balance you are getting here, like 5,000, purchase is a revenue, purchase is an expense. So whatever balance you will get here, you have to transfer to profit and loss account. You will not write CD, BD and all. Okay. So for expenses, for revenue, for income, for gains, for loss, we never write CD, BD. We transfer the amount to profit and loss account. 7,250 directly in the credit side, you can write 2020, end of the month, April 30th, by PL account. P/L. P/L means profit and loss account. 7,250, you can just do the totaling, you can just close the account by putting double underline. Are you understanding, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Only for assets, liabilities, capital we use CD, BD. Like cash account, it is an asset. That is why we wrote by balance CD. The next month we brought that balance, we wrote to balance BD. So for expenses, revenue, income, gain, loss, we transfer to PL account. This is the concept. These are revenue, income, revenue, expenditure. Till here concept is clear. You have anything to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so are you doing, and kindly write it down whatever I am saying, like revenue expenditure, it will help you a lot. Whatever I said, write it down in your own words for your understanding purpose.
Yes.
Yeah. So you transferred to PL account that amount.
Then I have to transfer it.
Yes, transfer it. Yes, you have to transfer it here. You write in the credit side of purchase account, just nothing. Transfer means just simply you have to write the date in the credit side. What you will write? You will write 2020. Then you will write April 30th. April last date is 30 only, na? So April 30th. Then you will write by PL account. Then whatever amount, 7,250. Just close the account.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Now Krishna account. Okay. So in Krishna account, again the same form. You have done the ledger you done. Now we are going to do the balancing part of this Krishna. So see, who is Krishna? Krishna is our debtor. Business has sold goods to Krishna on credit. So Krishna needs to make payment. Okay. So cash account debit to Krishna account when Krishna makes the payment 1500. So it has tallied already. No need to write any CDBD. Both the sides 1500 is coming. No balancing figure is coming. You can just put double underline and close the account. Always remember, you have to put double underline in order to close the account. If you are not writing double underline means the account will continue. Some more transaction you have to write. So whenever you finish, you have to put this double underline. Both the sides, debit and credit. 1500, it automatically tallies. No balance comes here. So we can leave it. Yes, understood Krishna account?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come to discount received account. The ledger I am talking which you have prepared. Discount received account. In discount received account, by the name itself, discount received means it is income for the business. So as I told you, any income, any gain, any loss, okay, all these, any expenses, all will be transferred to PL account. Discount received is an income. So you have to transfer that income. Like from Sham, business got discount of 100 rupees. You have to close the account. I have not written anything. You kindly write it down. Now come in the debit side. Sorry. Come in the debit side of discount received account. There again, always all the accounts are closed end of the month. Remember this and kindly write it down as note. End of the month only we close the account. So now date what you will write? 2020. End of the month 30th April. Then you will write, since you are transferring it in the debit side, you what you will write? To PL account, to profit and loss account. You have to write to profit and loss account. 100 rupees in the amount column. Then close it by putting double underline. Just close the account. Understood how to write this discount received account? Just you have to transfer to PL account. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now Sham account. Okay. Now we are preparing Sham account. Sham is our creditor. All posting done. So when you see all, I think again it is tallying only. So if you see this Sham's account, automatically it is tallying. No CD, no BD, no PL account. Like CD, BD will not come here. Yes. Here CD, BD will come. Why? Because Sham is our creditor. Creditor means liability. What I said, for all the assets, all the liabilities, we use CD, BD. Balance brought down, balance carried down. So Sham is our creditor. Definitely we would have used CD, BD. But automatically we purchased goods from Sham for 2,250. Business did the payment 2,150 and business received discount 100. Automatically both the sides tallied 2,250, 2,250. No need to do the balancing here. Whenever the account tallies automatically, there is nothing to write in any side because both the sides are tallying na. 2,250 both the sides it is coming. Where what you will write? So you can leave by putting double underline. Yes, got it, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now capital account. Check from your notebook capital account. Capital again it's a liability. Capital is a liability. So definitely BD, CD will be there. So see, all the postings, everything you did. and capital is a liability. It increases in the credit side, decreases in the debit side. So if you see, credit side will be more. Credit side is 1 lakh, debit side there is nothing. If you see capital, credit side it is 1 lakh, debit side nothing. So credit side is more than debit side and it is a liability. So BD CD will be there. So you have to write on the debit side the balancing figure. 2020 April 30th, end of the month, to balance CD. Balance carried down 1 lakh. Close the account, put double underline, write 1 lakh both the sides. After April month, May month comes. So when the business will again see the account May 1st, business should know how much capital balance is there in business. It is 1 lakh. How to show that CD of the end of the month will become BD for the next first of the month. May 1st, beginning of the month. This CD end of the month becomes BD for beginning of the next month. So May 1st, 2020 by balance BD brought down 1 lakh rupees. You have to write in this way. So why you are writing CD/BD for capital account? Because it's a liability. For all assets liability we use CD/BD. Other than assets liability, expenses, losses, income, gain, all these we use PL account. Why? Those are revenue income and revenue expenditure. And these assets are capital expenditure. Capital expenditure means once for while we incur. Suppose a business is purchasing machinery. Every day business is not going to purchase machinery. Every month business will not purchase. Every year business will not purchase. Frequently business is not going to purchase machinery for production. Suppose once machinery is purchased, business will keep and get the benefit minimum 5 years, 10 years, any years. It depends on the life of the machine. So that is capital expenditure. Whenever business gets benefit by anything for more than 1 year, that is capital expenditure. Whenever business receive benefit for short term less than 1 year, it is revenue expenditure. Got it, Manjusha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now sales account. See, by reading the name itself, it should come to your mind. Sales, it is a revenue. So definitely we have to transfer to PL account. No CD, BD. For PL account also you should know how much balance is there in sales account. So in debit side nothing, because sales is an revenue. Obviously you will write everything in the credit side. Income increases in the credit side. So now if you see the amount column, 1500, 8000. So 9500 you can write in the credit side. Debit side also write the same amount, 9500. Then debit side in the date column you can write 2020 April 30th to PL account. This will be transferred to profit and loss account. So remember, very important concept, all the income, all the gains, all the revenue, all the expenses, losses will always be transferred to PL account in ledger. But assets liability, they have BD, CD. They will be carried forward. That is the reason. They will be carried forward. But these things cannot be carried forward. Once amount is paid by the business will get the benefit, finished. Again business needs to make the payment to get the benefit. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Nothing will be carried forward. That is the reason BD, CD will not come. Any doubts so far you are having, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So take page number 21 to 1. Question number 3. Next class I will be starting cash book. Don't miss any class, okay, Manjusha? Your exams are also near. 24th, I think you said, right?
Yes, ma'am. Accountancy is on 24th.
24th, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you should get the first marks, okay? I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
lot of... Yes, dear?
I'll try my best, ma'am.
No.
There are some students who study well, so.
No, try. Definitely you can do it. You're doing well, you're practicing, you're hardworking, you're sincere in studies. Why not? Definitely you can. Have that confidence, work more hard. Definitely you can do it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, page number 21, dear. Question number 3. Ashok of Delhi started business on 1st April 2020. So Ashok, he is the proprietor. He started business 1st April 2020. With what he started? Machinery rupees 4 lakh. Okay. Then furniture rupees 1 lakh. He purchased these assets from Delhi and paid by check from his saving account. He introduced capital rupees 1 lakh in cash. Then journalize the following transactions. Prepare the ledger accounts and balance them. So before preparing ledger accounts, first kindly prepare the format of journal. Date, particular, ledger, folio, amount, debit, credit. Be ready with the format. First we will pass the journal entry, then ledger is your homework. You can do it yourself and try whether it's coming or not. Yes, done?
1 second.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, just a moment. Okay. So now we are going to pass the journal entry, right? Date 2020, April 1st. So see, it is not necessary always the proprietor of the business will bring cash only for capital. He may bring some assets also. So in this question when you read, they are telling you clearly, machinery, it is an asset he is bringing into the business. From home itself he is bringing. So it is also capital and it is asset, and rule for asset is always you have to debit the asset whenever it increases. Machinery he is bringing into the business, asset is increasing in business. So you have to write 2020 April 1st, kindly write it down. Machinery account debit 4 lakh rupees. And furniture he is also bringing, means he is investing in business. Furniture is an asset, again it is coming into the business, you have to debit whenever any asset increases. You know the rule, 1 lakh rupees. Then what you will write? Then you will write to capital account. So these are the capitals invested by Ashok. Now 4 lakh, 5 lakh rupees. Clear? First entry clear?
Yes.
Now April 1st itself, again he is investing something more. What? From his saving account he is what? Paying a check from his saving account. So again he is bringing cash. What is the meaning of this? You have to understand. And paid by check from his saving account means he is making payment, means he is bringing. Okay, he introduced capital of rupees 1 lakh in cash. So cash also he is bringing. So cash he is bringing how much? 1 lakh rupees cash. Cash is also in form of capital. So cash account debit to capital 1 lakh, 1 lakh. He is making payment through check for machinery and furniture. He purchased machinery and furniture. For this from his own saving, means it is the personal account of the owner. He is making payment through check. So whatever he is investing in business, machinery and furniture, so his capital is 5 lakh plus this 1 lakh, 6 lakh. Again cash also he is introducing, bringing as capital 1 lakh. So if we see, total capital invested by Ashok in this business is how much? 6 lakh rupees. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you tell me if you have to pass the journal entry for this machinery account. Okay, suppose you are preparing machinery account. You have to prepare, not preparing. You have to prepare. That is your homework. Okay, now tell me orally. We will discuss the journal entry. You have to tell me orally, and after the class you have to sit at home. Each and every ledger you have to prepare and send me. This is your homework. Okay. Now you have to tell me. Machinery account, suppose you are preparing ledger, you know everything, the format and everything you know. So how you will do the posting? Tell me in machinery account by seeing the journal, tell me.
Yes. Ma'am, first we have to create another ledger account of machinery, and there in capital.
Okay, tell me.
Since we have to write the opposite, we have to write the other account, right, ma'am?
Yes, right.
So,
Yes.
machinery account, in machinery account ledger, by capital account credit.
Just a moment, dear. If you are if you are preparing machinery account, you have to see the journal. It is debited, means in ledger also you have to debit machinery. It is an asset, na. But what you will write? To capital account. And what amount you will write? You should not write 5 lakh by seeing to capital account the amount 5 lakh. No. Machinery account you are preparing means the amount given in machinery account you have to write, but name of the opposite account only you have to use. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So in machinery account ledger, what you will write? You will write date and everything. Then in the debit side, to capital account 4 lakh rupees. Tell me for furniture, but this you have to do and send me. Okay. Since time is less, now I will tell you to write all the journal entry right in the class, and ledger prepare at home, because ledger will take lot of time. Now tell about that furniture account, dear.
Ma'am, for furniture we have to create another ledger account.
Okay.
And then again we have to write to capital account debit.
Amount
will be 1 lakh.
That's all. What about capital account? In capital ledger, just tell me the posting, debit, credit, which side, what name of the account and what amount. Just tell me like that. Capital account, tell me.
In capital account, machinery and furniture, credit. But ma'am, do we have to write the 4 lakh, 1 lakh or total 5 lakh?
No, you have to write separately. See, capital account when you will prepare, capital is credited in journal entry. Ledger also you have to do the credit only. In the credit side you have to write, first write the date 2020 April 1st. Then write buy machinery account 4 lakh. Then again write April 1st the date. Then write buy furniture account 1 lakh. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what about this cash and capital? Second, tell me in cash account what you will write.
In cash account, to capital account debit, and in capital account, by cash account credit 1 lakh each.
Excellent. That's it. Okay. Now the next. Next means again 2020. See the question. Purchase goods for cash from Ram. Okay. Goods are being purchased. Write down the journal entry. Purchase goods for cash from Ram. Here you should be very alert. For cash they are saying purchase done for cash, but they are saying from Ram. You should not get confused. If you use the name Ram, question will go wrong, because you have to use the name only when there is credit purchase. It is cash purchase. They have written clearly. So purchases account debit to cash account 55,000, 55,000. These silly mistakes you should avoid. You means all the students. I am not pointing out you, but many students they do these type of mistakes. If you don't read the question, you will do the mistake. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So write the journal entry, dear. Purchase account debit to cash account 55,000, 55,000. Write it down. Write the narration, everything. Write it down.
Yes.
Yeah. Now next, April 4th. Purchase goods from Naresh. See, there is a difference between these two entries. April 4th also purchase is done, but for cash is not written in question. So it is a credit purchase. You have to understand in this way, language of the question. Purchase goods from Naresh, that's all. For cash is not added, so it is Pure credit transaction. Purchase account debit to Naresh. Naresh is our creditor from whom we are purchasing goods on credit. 40,000, 40,000. Write the journal entry. April 4th.
Yes.
Yeah. Now next, April 6th, sold goods for cash. Clearly mentioned, sold goods for cash. Sales income, cash asset, you know all the rules and all. So cash account debit to sales. Now are you able to write directly the journal entry without thinking of the rule, or still you are like thinking for the rule?
Now I do it directly now. First I used to rely very much on the rules. Now it's easy.
Very good. That's what the practice makes you perfect. Otherwise, lot of time will be taken if you just again start from beginning. That's all. Okay. So directly you are able to now write the journal entry. Like sold goods for cash means cash to sales. You will write directly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So write it down. Cash account debit to sales account 70,000, 70,000. Write the narration, everything. April 6th. So till here first we will be doing this ledger. Now you have to tell me, dear, tell me. Purchase account debit to cash. Tell purchase account what you will write.
In purchase account. One second, ma'am.
Yeah, no issue. See the journal entry.
In purchase account ledger, we have to write Naresh to Naresh account debit, and in Naresh account we have to write by purchase account credit.
Excellent, well done. Tell about cash account debit to sales account ledger for cash and sales.
In sales account to sales account debit. In sales account by cash account credit, and in cash account to sales account debit.
Very, very good. Good. Now next. Cash deposited in bank. April 12th. Pass the journal entry first. April 12th. Cash deposited in bank. So for that, just very, very easy. See, whenever cash is deposited in bank, bank balance will increase. Bank is also an asset, cash is also an asset. So one asset will increase, other asset will decrease. Bank account debit, bank balance will increase. Cash will decrease because from business office only the cash is taken and deposited into bank. So bank account debit to cash account 80,000, 80,000. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. Now April 14th, purchased machinery 10,000. So machinery account debit to cash account 10,000, 10,000 machinery purchased. Till here you wrote?
1 second.
Yeah, I will give you the time. That's what I'm asking. You just write it down.
Yes.
Yeah. Now next. April 15th. Sold goods to Garg Brothers. So here it is credit sale because for cash is not given 30,000. So what you will write? Garg Brother account debit to sales account 30,000. Garg Brother has become our debtor. Later on he will make payment to the business 30,000. So Garg Brothers account debit to sales 30,000, 30,000. April 15th. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me the ledger. April 12th, bank account to cash, bank and cash, both the ledger, how you will do the posting, tell me.
In cash ledger, we have to write two bank accounts.
No. Be slow, no need to hurry, dear. Okay, be slow, be alert. See, to cash means you are crediting cash, right? So in cash account also credit side you have to write. So how to will come? You have to write by, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. So in cash ledger, by bank account credit, and then in bank ledger, to cash account debit.
Very good. Now tell me machinery account debit to cash, both the ledger, machinery as well as cash.
Cash ledger, by machinery account credit.
Yes.
And then machinery account to cash account debit.
Super. Next, Karg Brothers account debit to sales.
New ledger of Garg Brothers. In that,
yes.
To sales account debit and then in sales account by Garg Brothers credit.
Very good, dear. Super. Now April 16th, what is the transaction? That's all you learned. Ledger has not been taught in your school.
No ma'am, not yet.
It is the base. Without teaching ledger, how they went to cash book, I just don't understand. Cash book is itself a ledger, but this is the base. Journal entry first, then ledger, then trial balance, then only cash book. Trial balance also they didn't taught you.
No ma'am.
Okay, fine. April 16th. You have learned ledger very very fast way, because students they struck here.
Yes.
But you have to do all the separate ledger and you have to send me. It is homework, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now April 16th. Returned goods to Naresh. So this is, who is Naresh? Naresh is our creditor, right? So when the business is returning goods to Naresh, means business is returning the goods of 2000 rupees. So what entry? For this is for purchase return. What is the other name for purchase return? Return outward. Okay, you can write it down. Kindly write it down. Purchase return is also known as return outward. Sales return is also known as return inward. Kindly write it down, these two things.
Yes.
Yeah. Now return goods to Naresh. So this is purchase return. And now very easy. See, for purchase you debit, purchase account you always debit. So just do the opposite. For purchase return you have to credit. Okay. So purchase return will be credited. Naresh account will be debited. Naresh account debit to return outward or purchase return. 2000. Write it down. Pass the entry.
Yes.
Yeah. In cash book, petty cash book is also coming.
Yes, ma'am. Even petty cash book is coming.
It is very easy. Petty cash book. Have you understood something in cash book? Whatever has been taught in your school, something you understood in cash book, the concept and all?
Ma'am, single column cash book and petty cash book I've understood, but double column is still a little confusing.
Okay.
The balancing part only.
Okay, fine. Okay, dear. Okay, contra entry will come in double column. That is main. Okay, fine. So now April 28th. Paid salary to staff for the month of April, 10,000. Salary is an expense. Salary is account debit to cash account, 10,000. Write it down. April 28th. Salary is account debit to cash account, 10,000. Suppose name of the employee is given, you have to ignore. I taught you na, name of the employee, name of the landlord, name of the laborers we never use. Only creditors, debtors we use. Whenever we pay salary to employees, don't use name. Even if given in your question, you have to write salary account debit to cash. Name should not be written. If you pay any rent to your landlord, even if landlord name is given, you should not write rent account debit to cash. So these are certain rules which you should know. Now salary account debit to cash, 10,000. Now April 30th. Received bank interest. It is an income. Received bank interest. So April 30th, bank account debit, bank balance will increase. Whenever bank will give interest, it will give interest in our account. It will add the interest. So bank account debit, bank balance will increase. Bank is an asset. To bank interest received account, it is an income. Interest received is an income. So income you have to credit. To bank interest received 400. Written?
Yes.
Yeah. Now next. This is the last transaction. April 30th, paid for courier charges. Whenever any payment is made, it is expense. Paid for courier charges is an expense. Debit the expense. Postage and courier expenses account debit 1000. What is going out? Cash to cash account 1000. Postage and courier expense 1000 to cash account 1000. And write the narration also. Yeah. In your class, teacher is asking you to solve the question in boards. Board, like coming to board with chalk paste, they are asking you to solve.
Sometimes. Most of the times he just gives us he tells us the concept and just asks us to solve, and if we have a doubt, then he will explain it. That's
okay. Orally, he asks questions orally, like he tells to make you stand and ask any passing the journal entry or accounting equation like that.
Yes, ma'am. He asks orally.
Okay. So, are you able to answer those questions in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. So journal entry part finished. Now tell me the ledger, dear. Yeah, April 16th. Narration account debit to return outward or purchase return. Pass the post into ledger. Tell me in narration account what will come, and in return outward account what will come.
In return account ledger, you have to write by narration account credit and in narration account to return outward account debit.
Very good. Salary to cash, tell me, ledger posting.
Salary in salary ledger to cash account debit and in cash ledger by salary account debit. Credit.
Okay. What about bank account to bank interest received?
In bank interest received ledger, by bank account credit and in bank account to bank interest received account.
Very good. Very good. Postage and courier expense to cash account?
Postage in courier account to cash account debit and then in cash account in cash account postage in courier account credit.
Very good. Very good, dear. So ledger you have to do, each and every ledger you have to do. Now I will ask you some questions. Let me know how much you understand. For machinery furniture, what will come? You will transfer the balancing figure where? PL account or CDBD?
CD.
Very good. Very good. Why?
Because we have to add all the money and then bring it down.
No, that you know. No, I am not asking that, dear. I am asking, there is a rule I taught you, na? Machinery and furniture are assets. That is why CDBD will come. For all assets and liabilities, only CDBD come. For rest of the things, the balancing figure will be transferred to PL account. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
For this capital, first think whether it is liability, capital, asset. You have to think in that way. Then you can transfer it. For capital, can you tell me?
For capital, it will be PL account.
Why PL account? Capital is a liability, dear. Capital is always a liability. It is not a revenue expenditure, okay? It's a liability. Whenever the business closes, business needs to repay the capital to the owner in future whenever the business shut down. So it's a liability. on business head, burden for the business. Capital is always the liability. Okay, so CDBD will come here. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. And what about purchase? Suppose purchase account ledger you are preparing. What you will transfer balancing figure where?
Purchase is an expense to P&L.
Very good. Tell me for sales, you are preparing sales account ledger, the balancing amount, whatever comes, where you will transfer?
Sales is an income, so P&L account.
Very good, dear. Now, this Garg Brothers account, tell me, when you are preparing this Garg Brothers account ledger, whatever balancing figure comes, where you will transfer? Who is he?
Debtor.
Okay, debtor is an asset for the business, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will do?
CDBD account.
Very good. What about purchase return, dear? Tell me what is purchase return? Expense, revenue, income?
It's an expense.
No, just a moment. Purchase is an expense. Purchase return is an income because you are crediting purchase return, right? Purchase return you have credited. It is an income. Purchase is an expense. Purchase return is an income. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How it is an income? Whatever goods you purchased, due to some defect you are returning. Now you don't have to make the payment to that creditor, right? You returned the goods, na? So that's income in that sense. Understood?
Yes.
So what you will do?
Since it's an income, we have to PL account.
That's all. Your concept is clear. So now you will have dinner.
Yeah, most probably, ma'am, if my mother has made something, or else I'll have to wait till 9 or 9:30.
Okay, dear. So suppose if your mother is calling for dinner, just go for dinner, have it, then come and say today itself I want. Okay, so just prepare ledger account with proper lines and all and send me. Otherwise, if you're not going for dinner, then first finish the ledger account soon, send me, then go for some other work. Is it okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
The journal entry send me now itself so that I can check. Okay?
Ma'am, I'll try to send it by 12 o'clock today.
Okay, no issues. No. Journal entry you can send me now, na? During the class you have
The
written,
journal
right?
entry I'll send now, the ledger I'll send it by.
Okay, no issues. And how is Amrita? What she is doing?
Ma'am, actually today was the first day of college.
Oh, nice.
She came home all tired and all. She didn't eat, so she came home and just
Oh,
rested.
okay. I really miss her. Okay, fine. Okay, dear. Suppose you are planning to come to Chennai for any reason, come and meet me, both of you. Okay?
Yes, of course, yes, definitely.
Okay, dear. Okay. Chalo, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Bye.